Now I am going to show you how to enable the default hidden noise cancellation in Linux. So for that, first I am recording with the original noise which I am having on my laptop microphone. So now you can clearly hear the noise. So I am going to eliminate it. In order to make everyone follow this tutorial, I will be using a command text editor gedit. Gedit could be installed in most of the Linux distributions. You can install gedit. If you don't want to install gedit, you can use other text editors, but you should know the package name of the text editors. Currently I don't have the gedit, so I will be installing it using below commands. First let me install gedit. You should copy paste this command in your terminal. So I have provided this command in the description section below. If you do have another text editor, example, if you have hcd, you can use sudo hcd, then the rest. So the command form is sudo text editor, then this line. Here you should replace text editor with the package name of your text editor. I will show you the original sound input settings. This is the original sound input section, and you can only see the internal microphone. We have made the changes, and you can clearly hear the noise has been cancelled. Compared to the previous one, now you can hear better quality of audio. Now we have made the changes, and let's see what we have done. So if you go inside input devices, you can see there's a new device with echo cancelled with built-in audio analog stereo. And thank you.